Hello everyone, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to subscribe. 3, 2, 1, subscribe. So for this week's video, I thought I would do another little weekly vlog for you guys. I'm gonna just be taking you through what a normal week in my life here at college looks like and showing you guys my classes and what I eat in a day and all that type of good stuff. It's also gonna be kind of fun because it's one of my best friends, Sophia's birthday this weekend. You guys know Sophia, she's been in like all my vlogs. Me and my other best friend Jacqueline are gonna try and throw her like a little surprise birthday dinner. Hopefully I can keep it a secret because I literally am the worst secret keeper of all time, so hopefully I don't screw this one up. But anyways, it's 10 o'clock right now. I have class at 11. I was gonna make breakfast, but I think I'm gonna just grab a Starbucks right now because I don't really have that much time. So let's go do that and I will see you guys there. Also, for anyone wondering, I just got an iced coffee with a pump of vanilla, half and half creamer, and a sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna go to class because I'm gonna be really late.
She let all these little things happen.
Okay, I just got back from class. It's 12:25 right now. I have class at 1, so I think I'm gonna make myself a quick bite to eat. I have a presentation in my next class because it's like my last class because it's an 8-week, and I'm really nervous, so that's fun. I literally just hate presenting and public speaking, and it's weird because I feel like I would be like fine talking to people because I have a YouTube. I don't know if those correlate, but I hate public speaking and I'm really nervous, so yay. Just gonna toast this. Lunch is served. So looking at this through the camera, it actually looks really gross. But I swear it's actually really good, and I feel like it's a really healthy lunch for the most part. I'm really excited because I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go eat this. Bye. Actually so good. 10 out of 10. Okay, just decided I'm gonna go work out before I go to Party City to get all the birthday decorations. This is my little gym OOTD, super basic and boring. I'm just wearing basic gray leggings, and then I usually wear an oversized jacket when I work out just because I feel like I get a better workout in when I do. So yeah, let's go work out. So whenever I work out, I always do a 1.0 incline, and then I do a 6.0 speed. Oh, she needs this. Oh my god. 100%. Sophia needs this for her birthday. Oh, okay, we found the birthday section. Oh, this one's perfect. Yes, a wand. Wait, which one? This one or this one? This one. I think that one too. Okay, let's put this back. I feel like this will be fun for everyone to wear, right? What is wrong with you? Oh, these are so much cuter. Yes, score. Oh yeah. So we're gonna get some balloons now.
We are on a helium.
Oh no! That's a fail. This is our best option of a balloon.
Helium.
So, sorry, Soph. We love you. It's not our fault. Thank you.
Details are fine.
Party City, check. Hello everyone, it is obviously a new day today. I just got back from all my classes and I'm actually so tired. But anyways, the plan for tonight was supposed to be Soph's birthday dinner. But small problem. Soph got really sick. So it's around like 5 o'clock-ish right now, and we were supposed to get dinner at 8. We were gonna meet everyone at the restaurant at 8 and like set the table and like decorate it with balloons and stuff. But now I think we're gonna kind of cancel that. I don't really know yet. Very disorganized plan right now. I think right now I'm gonna go shower, do my makeup, get ready for the night, and then I will talk to you guys after. Oh, whoa. Please ignore my really messy room in the background. Whoa. I just finished getting ready for the night. I just threw on some concealer and blusher and a little bit of eyeliner and then mascara. Super natural. But anyway, Sophia's feeling much better, so her surprise birthday dinner is back on. But I have to go like now to go set up the restaurant and get everything ready before she gets there. Hopefully she's surprised. That's the end goal. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing and then we'll go. So here's the OOTD. My pants are from Rag & Bone. I think I got these actually in my Rush vlog. Anyways, I'm obsessed with them. I think they're so cool and I love the details of like the zipper and stuff. Then I'm just wearing this gray basic shirt from Brandy Melville. Then I'm just wearing this oversized bomber that I got at the Pacers game. But I say the P is actually for Paige. And that's the outfit. This is the setup. We're trying to put a place setting down, but we're struggling. Guys, look how cute this looks. We put out all the birthday hats and then spread out these happy birthday necklaces. This music though.
On that one.
No, she's gonna sit here.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday. Stop. Happy birthday! No. Hi, Zoe. You're a queen. This looks so good. Oh my god. We finally figured out how to light it up. Now you're a true queen. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Sophia.
Yay! Hello everyone. So I'm editing my video and I just realized I don't have an outro. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, comment down below any video ideas or requests that you guys have. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Subscribe and Starbucks. Say hi. Hi. Hey, what's your name?
Ariana.
Oh, hey Ariana. Oh my god, I'm a mess right now. Oh my god. When you're watching this, I love you.